Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do one of these iconic Jang Won-young hairstyles that we recently saw a lot on TikTok, Instagram, etc. So let's get this started. First of all, we need some heat protection, obviously. I'm going to brush through it. Make sure you have the right parting first. It starts from the front of my eyebrow, diagonal, until the arch of my eyebrow, and then it goes back to a middle parting. Then you need a curling iron with the biggest attachment that you have. Mine is from Idollens. I link it down below if you're interested. So our curls start from the ears, ear area, and we're only gonna make outward curls. Let's do this. So I always start from the back and I make sure that the curls start from my ear area. This is how our curl should look like and work in smaller sections. So again, take a piece of hair, wrap it around, hold for 8 seconds, and again, if you start with the top layer of your hair, make sure that you start around the ear level. So again, this is my top layer, so I make sure I start from an eye level. Hold it, release it. You're just gonna do your whole head basically, but I'm gonna show you the first side first. So now we're gonna switch to the other side, and don't do anything to the side, just let it be. And now you can take a brush and brush it out. And it should form those one big wave. You see the movement? This is what we want. So now we use a comb and we just go behind this edge a little bit more and go down. And this is the part we're gonna tuck behind our ears. So what you're gonna do, you put it really tightly behind your ear and you just clip it with a bobby pin. Then you release one side, some hairspray, and make sure this part is nice and straight. Same with the other side. Part it, pin it, hairspray. For this part, you gotta make sure it's nice and straight too. Then we're gonna use the curling iron again and fix those parts. See how much better it looks already? Then we just have to brush it out again. Play around with it until you like it and give it some more hairspray. And that's it.